YouTube wants you to think there is only one way to make money here. Chase millions of views and get a tiny slice of ad revenue. They have built a system that leaves most creators feeling broke and burned out. But what if I told you there are hidden ways to make money right under your nose that YouTube does not really talk about? Futures that could literally double your income overnight. Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain. The ad revenue trap. Let's be real. The YouTube dream they sell you is a treadmill. They put a video, pray the algorithm notice you, obsessively check your analytics, watch your earnings bounce around for reasons nobody can explain. 1 month you are doing okay, the next your CPMs crash and it's back to instant noodles for dinner. That is the system. It's designed to keep you on that treadmill, showing ad content, chasing viral hits, and feeding their ad machine. YouTube is a multi-billion-dollar company, and ads are its lifeblood. So, of course, they want you to focus on it. They want you to believe that getting more views is the only answer. It keeps you dependent. It keeps you stressed. It keeps the vast majority of creators from ever building a stable, predictable business on this platform. They have made the rules so complicated that advertiser-friendly guidelines, random demonetization, constant algorithm changes that you always feel one step away from your income just vanishing. So many creators burn out trying to please a system that by design helps the platform way more than it helps you. But here is the truth. AdSense is just the tip of the iceberg. That is the money they give you. Today we are talking about the money they are hiding, the money you can claim for yourself. Here is the first hidden feature, super thanks. The first and the most criminally overlooked feature is sitting right there on your video page. It's called super thanks, and it is the definition of passive income. If you have never seen it, super thanks lets any viewers or any of your videos or shorts leave you a tip. They click a button, choose an amount from a couple of dollars up to 50, and in return they get a cool little animation and their comments get highlighted. It's a simple thank you, but it's incredibly powerful. Why? Because unlike ad revenue, this isn't tied to advertisers' budget or your niche. It's tied directly to the value you give people and the community you build. If someone watches a tutorial that saves them hours or video that just makes their day, they can thank you for it with more than a simple like. Here is the part YouTube doesn't exactly shout from the rooftop. You get to keep 70% of that money, and the requirements to turn this on are incredibly low. As of 2025, you just need to be in the YouTube Partner Program, which now has an entry-level type of only 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. If you're on that first drug of the YPP-led leader, you can switch this on. You just enable it in the end tab in your YouTube studio after accepting the commerce product model, and boom, it's active on every video you have ever made. Think about that. Every single video in your back catalog, especially the ones that get views the day in, day out, becomes a way to earn money directly. This is cash that comes from your most loyal supporters. The best way to encourage it is just to acknowledge it. When you see those highlighted comments, reply to them, give them a heart, maybe even shout them out in a future video. When people see that their support is noticed, it encourages others to do the same. This one feature, if you have an engaged audience, can add hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to your income every month, all without filming a single extra video. So, if you are already seeing how this could change the game for your channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting warmed up, and really don't want to miss what's next, because Section 3, graduating to recurring revenue. Channel membership. Super thanks is awesome for one-off support, but now let's talk about something even more powerful, predictable, recurring income. I'm talking about channel membership. This is basically YouTube's built-in version of Patreon. Right on your channel, viewers can pay a small fee every month in exchange for exclusive perks that you create. This could be anything custom, emojis and badges that they can use in the comments, members only videos, behind the scenes contents, early access to new stuff, or even exclusive live streams. The whole us versus them thing isn't just about money, it's about control. Ad revenue is super unpredictable. Members hits are the opposite. It's a stable monthly income you can actually count on, which lets you budget plans and invest back into your channel. If you have 100 members paying you $5 every month, that is an extra $500 of predictable income before YouTube's 30% cutoff. That income doesn't care if your views are down or if an advertiser gets code fix. And just like Super Tens, the barrier to entry for this has dropped. You can turn on channel membership as soon as you hit that first YPP tire with 500 subscribers. You set the prices and you decide on the pick. The key here is to offer real value. Don't just switch it on and hope people sign up. Create pick your core audience actually wants. Do they want more access to you? Do the member only question and answer? Do they love your creative process? Show them some behind the scenes footage. This feature turns casual viewers into a core community of supporters. It builds a safety net for your business that doesn't depend on the whip of the algorithm. It's the first real step to go from just being a YouTuber to being a business owner who uses YouTube as their platform. Here is section 4, which is the game changer: YouTube shopping and affiliates. All right, let's get to the one they really don't want you to focus on because it completely shatters their mode of view-based income. This is YouTube shopping and the integrated affiliate program. For years, making money from products meant awkwardly reading a discount code or YALO. Click the link in the description. It was clumsy. Now, YouTube lets you build a shop right into your channel and tag products in your videos, shorts and live streams. This works in two amazing ways. First, if you have a Shopify, Spreadshop or another supported store, you can link it to your channel. A view product shelf shows up under your videos and you can tag specific items so they pop up at just the right moment. The eligibility again, just 500 subscribers and being in the YPP. You can literally start selling your own products before you even qualify for ad revenue. But here is the real secret, the weapon: the YouTube shopping affiliate program. This is where you can earn commissions by tagging products from other brands directly in your videos. Instead of sending people off sites, they see the product, the price, and can click to buy all inside the YouTube app. You can browse a whole marketplace of brands inside YouTube Studio, see their commission rates, and pick products that are perfect for your content. The eligibility for the affiliate side is a bit higher. You need to be in the full YPP and have at least 20,000 subscribers. For now, it's also only available in certain countries like the US, but this is the goal you should be aiming for. This changes the entire game. It completely disconnects your income from your view count. A review video that only gets 10,000 views can earn you thousands of dollars if it sells a few higher ticket items. A short video, which usually has a pathetic RPM, can now drive major revenue just by tagging a popular product. It shifts your focus from how many people watched this to did the right people watch this and take action. This is how you build a real scale business. You are no longer just an entertainer, you are a retailer, a curator, and a trusted voice for your audience. So here is my conclusion. Let's recap. YouTube has you stuck on the ad revenue hamster wheel, but the real power is in the tools they barely mention. Number 1, Super Tens for turning appreciation into direct passive income on every video you own. Number 2, channel membership for building a predictable recurring income stream from your biggest fans. Number 3, YouTube shopping for turning your channel into a sales engine, either for your own stuff or as a powerful athlete. Stop letting YouTube dictate what you earn. Stop chasing views and start building a business. Go into your YouTube studio right now. Click on the Earn tab. See what you are eligible for and turn it on. Activate Super Tens. Brainstorm your membership tiers. Connect your stores or start exploring the affiliate program. The tools to divest your income and take back control are right there. You just have to use them. Now, if you want to know how to squeeze every last drop of revenue out of the views you do get, you have to see my next video. I'm breaking down the advanced strategies for placing mid-row ads to boost your income without driving your audience crazy. Make sure you subscribe with notification bells on because you won't want to miss it.